We have been given here the following question. If A circle around plus B, I'm not reading it as or because we need to determine as to what it's acting as, so we can't initially assume it. We'll have to draw truth table for that. And not of A and then circle and minus sign in between it and B is equals to A and B. What should be proper symbol in place of circle around plus and circle around minus to hold the equation? And four options are given: and or, uh, and or and. So let's have a look at the solution. So first we draw the truth table as per the given. So A and B, not A or B, and A and B, and not of A or B. After drawing the we see that basically truth and truth and gives truth, not of A gives false, and then not of A or B gives true, and then doing A and B, this column, and operation with not of A or B, we get from truth and truth we get truth. Similarly, other columns are obtained, and when we compare these two columns, that is this column and this column, we see by inspection that circle around plus represents and circle around minus represents or. So our answer is option 1, that is and or.